up, guys? Good morning. All right. So I'm here. I just pulled up, guys. I'm coming to a shopping center in Arlington, Texas. It's kind of like in the hood, not really, but you know. Oh, they have construction here. So there is some construction going on here, and I'm looking for a fridge that I cannot find. And oh, I see it. Okay, I see it, guys. It's in the corner. It's hidden, and no wonder I couldn't see it on my first try. So let's go take a look at it really quick. Let me see if I can get you a better angle at this, because that's what we need to do. Oh, there it is. Small fridge. Very light, very light. All right, one problem. I have a problem here. It's not gonna fit through there, and it's definitely not fitting on the other end. I don't have any room to get it out. So let me show it to you. The refrigerator is right there. That's the fridge, and I'm not gonna be able to get it out of that gap, and I'm definitely not getting it out of there. So I'm kind of stuck with a bad situation. Huh. That's a problem too. I got to get it over that. But I have an idea. All right. So here's my idea. What I'm going to do is hit the dumpster from this side, tilt it that way with the truck, and get the fridge, move the fridge this way, and pull it out of there. Okay? This fridge is really light, so I'm not gonna have any problems with it. Now I'm gonna hit the dumpster and see if I can get out of the way. So I moved the dumpster. There's the fridge. It's done. Not so hard. Gave me a chance to clean out my truck too. All right, my fellow YouTube subscribers, I just finished over here at the shopping center in Arlington. Man, I'm getting out of here. It's cold. I'll be honest with you, it's cold. I need a haircut. I'm a good boy.
No? Okay, then I'll put the dirt bad boy then.
No.